Hi guys, welcome back to my tutorial. So in the previous lectures I had taught you about when to post, what to post and affinity. Now I'm going to teach you how you can schedule your post on Facebook. So whenever you have to post on Facebook, whenever you have to post on your Facebook page, what you have to do is you have to go here and then click on create a post, and then you have to make your update over here. For example, you want to write something over here, just make your update, and then you have to attach a photo, and then you have to post. So it is not possible for you to revisit Facebook all the time and then keep on updating it. Okay, for example, you want to post 3 times in a day. Okay, so what you have to do is come back to Facebook all the 3 times, and then physically you have to be present, and then you have to upload it. Okay, manually you have to upload it. So what I'm going to teach you is how you can automate this process. Okay, so how you can do this: just look at this left sidebar and then scroll down, go to Creator Studio. So Creator Studio helps you do a lot of things. The best part about Creator Studio is you do not have to go and update on Facebook, and then again if you want to post the same thing on Instagram, then you do not have to open your mobile or your laptop and then post an update on Instagram. Through the Creator Studio you can post on both. On Facebook you can also post, on Instagram also you can post. So what I'm going to teach you is how you can schedule a post on Facebook, okay, on your Facebook page. So while clicking here, just see whether your page is selected or not. So if you have multiple number of pages, you have to see whether your page is selected here or not. Okay, so right now I want to post my update in this page only. All right, so now I'm going to click on create new, and then I'm going to click on create a post, and this window will open in front of me. All right, so here I have to write my text, whatever I want to write. For example, I want to post a certain artifact made by my students on online summer camp. So I will write awesome art created by kids in our camp. So I've written a very simple text, and if I want to add a photo, I'll just add a photo over here. And for example, this is my art. Okay, not this, let us choose another. For example, this is my art. Okay, so I will just upload this photo. It is uploading right now. It has been uploaded. And for example, I do not want to publish this post right now. I want to publish it tomorrow. So what I'll do is I will not click on publish, because if I'll click on publish, it will immediately publish your post on Facebook, but I do not want to do that. Okay, so I will just click on this down arrow over here, just click here, and then I'm going to schedule a post. Just click on schedule a post, and now I want to go 2nd of September. For example, I want to post it at 7 p.m. on 2nd of September. So what I'll do is 7, I'll choose at 7 p.m. This is your in your time zone. Okay, and I'll click on save. Okay, so now instead of publish, now it is showing schedule post, and then I'll click on schedule post, and my post has been scheduled. So where to use this method, how to use this method, and when to use this method, it is very important. Earlier I had told you that you need to post on times when your fans are online. So in our last lecture I told you that you need to post between midnight till 10 a.m. and then 7 p.m. till midnight. So what I will do is I will schedule my post after 7 p.m. So I have scheduled this post exactly at 7 p.m. If I'll schedule this post at 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. or 5 p.m., then I will not get that much reach. Why? Because my fans are not online at that time, and Facebook does not work like that. So I'll have to make sure that I have to schedule my post between midnight till 10 a.m. and then 7 p.m. till midnight. That is the time when most of my audience is online. So this is how you can plan your post, and using this method you can plan more posts as well. For example, I want to schedule another post for another day. Okay, another painting made at kids fiesta. Okay, I'll write my text over here, and then I can again add a photo, and let's see what we have here. For example, I want to post this picture over here. Okay, and I've uploaded this picture, and now I want to schedule this post for 2 days later. Okay, so I'll write schedule a post, and then I'll schedule it for 3rd of September for example 9 p.m. 3rd of September. Okay, I'll save it and then I'll schedule the post. All right, now the post has again been scheduled. The post will appear, it's showing your post will appear in the pre-publish tab once it's scheduled. So now it has been scheduled. Once I click here, my post will start showing. So here the post status is showing as scheduled. All right, and if you want to look at published post, just click here and then you will be able to see the published post. Okay, so if you want to have a look at the published post, just click here. So it is a very simple interface over here that Facebook has provided. Now I'm going to tell you a very important feature and a very useful feature of Creator Studio, and it is posting on Instagram. For example, you want to post on Instagram and Facebook simultaneously. So what you will do is just create a post, create an Instagram feed, click here. Okay, I will just click on my post, and for example, awesome art created at Kids Fiesta. So I will write here and I will just upload a photo. For example, I want to upload let me take, for example, I want to upload this photo. This is not the right size, but I'm taking this photo. Okay, and I want to post the same post on Facebook. So what I'll do is I'll just check this box here, and then I want to schedule this post for 5th of September, for example. So I'll just click here, 5th of September, timing would be 9 p.m. Okay, and I have scheduled my post here. So this has been scheduled for Facebook, but it hasn't been scheduled for Instagram. So just click on this down arrow over here, click on schedule and schedule your post for 5th of September. Time would be, what have we taken here as the time? 9 p.m. So time would be 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Okay, so when I click on schedule, both the posts have been scheduled. One is for Facebook and one is for Instagram. The post is the same, but it has been scheduled for both Facebook and Instagram. This is one of the most important features of Creator Studio, and it really helps you a lot. It makes you more efficient. So this is how you can use the Creator Studio, and you can upload n number of content. For example, you can post a IGTV video. For example, you want to add a story, you can add a story here. Okay, you can upload a video, you can go upload multiple videos, you can go live also, and you can also post a single video across number of pages. So these are the functionalities that Creator Studio has provided, and it is one of the best ways. All right, it is one of the best ways to post on Facebook. So always keep in mind, always post through Creator Studio. More I will teach in the next lecture. I will be coming live, and it will be a live Q&A session. I will be taking your questions, your queries if you have anything, and I will be teaching you something very useful for you. So all of you, please be there. I want to meet you all. Thank you so much.